Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks that are on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Fu, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Nora Melinda. Nora, what are you looking at?
Well, Paul, let's take a look at ON Holdings. This is a stock that's really been in focus a lot of today. That's ticker ONON. Of course, we know this is a company that's backed by tennis player Roger Federer. We're seeing shares climbing as much as 28% in today's trade. This is the best day that we've seen for performance since 2023, and this is after it boosted its sales forecast for the year. We did get some better than expected third quarter results as well. That's really buoying the stock higher. But we are thinking about a lot of sales that are happening both in Asia and Europe. It seems as though this sneaker is clearly a hit, especially as you pair it up to a lot of the competitors that it's really been rivaling during this time period. Nike, Under Armour. It seems like it might be the new shoe that everybody cares about right now.
Yeah, for a while, that's all I saw on people's feed on holding sneakers.
Yeah, I didn't know it was a thing until recently.
Me either. I was behind the curve, apparently.
Nora, the second stock you're looking at?
AMD, this is ticker AMD. Shares rising as much as 11%. This is the biggest intraday jump that we've seen since October. The company projected accelerating sales growth over the next 5 years. We did get some analysts on Wall Street saying that they're positive here in the forecast, and they do see material upside to current estimates here. But if you look at share performance on the year, I'm seeing shares of AMD up about 115% year to date. So this has definitely been a positive year for shareholders of AMD.
Yeah, that is a nice move there. And there's another name that's been out there for a while, but boy, they've certainly caught the AI wave there. Black Rock Coffee Bar, again, didn't know it was a thing. So let me know what's going on.
Today's my first day hearing of it, so I might be out of the loop here. This is ticker BRCB. It actually went public back on September 12th here. We are seeing shares sliding, though, dropping as much as 5% today. This is after it announced its first earnings report since going public just in September, and it did give an outlook for the year, but it did disappoint. I mean, Morgan Stanley is saying that if the aspiration of the new IPOs is to handily beat at least the first few quarters, that didn't really happen this time across the P&L for the company.
See how this, like when I took like 1 million companies public as a research analyst and as a banker, I knew what the first probably 2 quarters numbers were going to be to the penny. There's no risk of disappointment there. What are you guys going to earn first quarter out of the box? You know, and I'll come in there at a little bit of a discount and you can beat my number. Everybody's happy. I don't think they play the game anymore. I don't get it.
It's a bit different.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.